one is Vakrasana. So Vakrasana के लिए you first sit in Dandasana. Dandasana is one of the beginning poses for all the sitting poses. तो Dandasana में ऐसे straight बैठ कर आपका left leg straight है. Bring your right leg close to your right shoulder. Right hand को पीछे spine के पास रखें. बहुत दूर नहीं रखना है. और left hand से you pull your right leg and turn right. Keep your spine straight. Feel the twisting of your spine right from your neck till the lower back. Keep breathing normal. Breathe in and come back. इसी को दूसरी तरफ से करेंगे. I'll give you a side view of it. Keep your right leg straight. Left leg close to your left shoulder. Okay. Left hand पीछे. Just like as I told you. हाथ को don't keep your hands so far. Keep it close to your spine. क्योंकि आप जब ये दूर रखते हैं, your spine becomes this way. So it has to be straight. इसलिए spine के नजदीक रखिए. Pull your leg and turn left. Feel the twisting of all the 33 spinal bones. आपके neck से लेके lowest back hip joint तक there are spinal bones. Feel the twisting. Breathe in and come back. Okay, again sit in Dandasana. Vakrasana is the most basic pose for back pain. Okay, Vakrasana का next step is Ardha Matsyendra Asana. Okay, थोड़ा difficult है, but then धीरे धीरे करेंगे तो समझ आ जाता है. Right leg straight. Just go with my instructions. Right leg straight. Left leg को अपने right buttock के नीचे रखिए. राइट सीट के नीचे. राइट लेग को ऐसे घुमा दीजिए. ठीक है. इफ आप अगर चाहिए तो आप थोड़ा पेट को हटाते हुए इस तरह से रख सकते हैं सो दैट यू गेट अ बेटर पोस्चर. ओके. पैर आपका स्ट्रेट ऐसे रखा हुआ है क्रॉस करके. राइट हैंड पीछे कमर पर. ओके. नाउ देयर आर 3 वेज यू कैन पुल योर लेग. एक आप इस तरह से पुल करें. दूसरा यू कैन पुश इट विथ योर एल्बोज and you can stay in this pose या if possible जिनके लिए possible है they can twist and hold their leg this way and then slowly turn towards right. Feel the spinal twist. Keep breathing normal. Allow your spine to be straight. All of the body parts completely relaxed. Keep breathing normal. Breathe in and come back. पहले hand open करें, पीछे का हाथ आगे लाएं. Straighten your right leg and then straighten your left leg. Now do it from the other side. Right leg under your left buttock. Left leg cross from above. Left hand on your back. With your right hand, pull or push it with your elbow or twist it and then turn on the left. So आपका ध्यान इस समय सिर्फ आपके कमर की ट्विस्टिंग पे जाना चाहिए. Allow your shoulders, allow your legs to relax. Feel the twist. Very relaxing pose for back kick. Breathe in and come back. Open your hands. Open your legs. Sit in Dandasana for few seconds. See, when we say back pain बोला तो सिर्फ it is not just the lower back. We need to understand it is all these 33 spinal bones जो हमारे neck से लेके lower back hip joint तक extend होती हैं. तो हर एक bone की twisting is very important. Okay. Next we get into Marjarasana, also known as cat and cow pose. उसके लिए we will come on our fours. This way, hands under our shoulders, shoulder gap between our legs. Okay? इसमें आप एक बार देख लेंगे. सांस लेते हुए you have to go up and pull your tummy downwards. You're pushing your back inwards and breathe out and push it up. इस तरह से. Feel the articulation of your back. Breathe in and pull it down. Breathe out and push it up, forming an arch. Once again, breathe in, pull it down, breathe out and push it up. So as you feel, this gives complete relaxation and articulation of the spine. Come back. So these were 3 asanas in sitting pose. अभी आपको prone position में मैं बताती हूँ. ठीक. So whenever you're doing asanas in this position, first you should know what is the relaxing pose. तो relaxing pose is this. आप हाथ के ऊपर हाथ रख लें, पैरों में gap, and you can just place your head down. This is relaxing pose, also known as Makarasana. Sure. Let's start with the first one. Very simple. Bring both the legs together. This is Makarasana 2. Hands in elbow stand. Okay, this way. I'll give you a side view so that आपको भी समझे exactly क्या कर रही हूँ. Placing both the elbows together. हाथ अपना chin. Place your chin on your hand. Okay, and start kicking your legs towards your buttocks. Okay. If you have back pain, chronic back pain, एक पैर से आपको करना है इस तरह से. Otherwise, you can do it with both the legs. This way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Change, come back. Place both the hands close to the face. Okay. From here we get into half cobra pose, Ardha Bhujangasana. आपके elbows will remain grounded. Your elbows remain grounded. Breathe in. Lift your body. Lift your arms. Feel the stretch in your lower back. Shoulders broaden. Breathing normal. कंधों को चौड़ा करके रखें. Breathe out and come back. जब भी पेन ज्यादा है बैक में, you're supposed to do this and not the full cobra pose. Okay? So next we get into full cobra pose. Bhujangasana, hands close to the chest. Elbows facing upwards, not outwards. Okay? Breathe in. दोनों पैर आपके साथ में हैं. Breathe in and lift your body up till your navel. Keep looking up. Feel the stretch in your back. Feel the tightening of your glutes. Feel the stretching of your tummy region, belly region. Breathe out and come back. From here, we'll once again do Bhujangasana along with Tiryak Bhujangasana movement. Okay? Breathe in. Come up. Here you can extend your arms fully and turn towards your left. Look from above the shoulders towards your left ankle. This gives you good spine mobility also. And you can literally feel the spine twisting. Come back and do it from the right side. And come back and relax in Makarasana. Come back. Next, we get into Shalabhasana. Shalabhasana is locust pose. उसके लिए आप हाथ अपना चाहें तो अपने thighs के नीचे रख सकते हैं. If you want, you can place your hands under your thighs, but not essential. If you आपके लिए अगर possible है leg अपने आप उठाने के लिए, तो that is really good because उससे आपकी core strengthening भी होती है. We have our core muscles here in this region. अपने पेट की और कमर की जो मांसपेशियां होती है, उधर हमारी कोर मसल्स होती है. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन एनी काइंड ऑफ एक्सरसाइजिंग. सो अगर कोर स्ट्रेंथनिंग अच्छी हुई है तो यू विल बी एबल टू लिफ्ट योर लेग without supporting it with your hands. Okay. This bone should be grounded. ऐसे टेढ़ा नहीं होना है. Okay. ये bone आपकी जमीन पर लगी रहनी चाहिए. Okay. Keep breathing normal. Upper body को stiff नहीं करना. You have to keep your upper body completely relaxed. And bring your leg back. Now with the other leg, breathe in. Lift your left leg up. As I told you, your bone near the waist region has to remain grounded. Calm down. Now I'll show you with both the hands and with both the legs. People who have chronic back pain, जिनको हमेशा बैक में बहुत ज़्यादा दर्द रहता है, उन्होंने दोनों पैरों से नहीं करना है शलभासन. Okay? So place your hands under your thighs. Take a deep breath. Upper body completely relaxed. Breathe in and lift both the legs up. Give a push with your hand. Flex your toes. Feel the stretch. पूरा बॉडी वेट आपने अपने पैरों पर शिफ्ट कर दिया है. Breathe out and come back. Remove your hands and relax. Relax in Makarasana for a few seconds. Come back. Bring your legs together, hands close to the body. From here we can get into Shalabhasana 2. In Shalabhasana 2, okay, left hand को आगे लीजिए and right leg को पीछे उठाइए. Your hand goes parallel to the face. Keep breathing normal. Feel the opposite stretch as if someone is pulling you out from both the ends. Breathe out and come back. Do it from the other side. Breathe in. Right hand in the front and left leg lifted, knees straight. Your leg lifted till your waist bone. Keep breathing normal and feel the stretch. Breathe out and come back. Next, we get into Dhanurasana. Okay, Dhanurasana के लिए you have to bring both the legs together. Okay, as a beginner, अगर नया practice है आपका, तो you can keep a gap between your leg. Okay, hold it with your ankle. Breathe in and lift your body up. This also improves your posture and deals with your back issues. Breathe out and come back and relax. अभी लेफ्ट साइड से टर्न होके स्लाइड डाउन इन सुपाइन पोज. कमर के बल लेट जाएंगे. The first one that we do in this pose is Yastikasana. Yastikasana is like a stick pose, okay? So breathe in, lift your hands up, straight up and pull it from both ends. हाथ और पैर को दोनों को pull कीजिए. Try to hold your breath at this point. जैसे हम लोग अंगड़ाई लेते हैं, just like this, try to stretch our body. Feel the stretch in all the muscles. हर एक मांसपेशी को stretch होता हुआ महसूस कीजिए. Breathe out and come back. Yastikasana is also very relaxing pose. So maybe, whenever in supine pose, you should try to do this. Next we change it to Markatasana 1. So bring both the legs together. दोनों पैरों को साथ में लेके आए. Close to your buttocks. Hands placed under your head, locked, interlaced. Take both the legs towards left, knee on knee and ankle on ankle, and face towards the right. Keep your shoulders and elbows grounded. Heels close to your buttocks. Keep breathing normal and feel the spinal twist. Breathe in and come back. Do it from the other side. Take your both the legs to the right and face to the left. Try to keep your heels close to the buttocks. Don't keep your elbows and shoulders lifted. Keep them grounded and feel the twist. This is also very relaxing. Maybe at night before you go to bed, आप जब भी सो जाते हैं उससे पहले कुछ सेकंड्स के लिए ये सारे आसन आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो it will be very relieving. Breathe in and come back. See, breathing along with asanas is very important. Okay, next, this is a little difficult pose, but for whoever possible, they can try it. Hands extended at shoulder level. Lift your right leg. जिनको chronic back pain है, they should not try doing this. Lift your right leg and take it towards your left hand, opposite side में. Face on the other side. Feel the stretch. Keep your knees straight. If you're unable to hold it from the toe, you can hold it with your ankle. Breathe in and bring your leg back. Do it from the other side. Lift your left leg. Take it towards your right hand and face on the left. एकदम आराम से कीजिए. Enjoy the twist, and the lower leg should not move along. Try to keep your lower leg straight. Breathe in and bring your leg back. Bring your hands back. Change. Next, we get into Katti Uttana Asana. Katti is your back. Uttan means uthana. So you just lie down straight, both the legs together, hands flat on the ground. You breathe in and lift your back. Form arch form करते हैं अपने back से. Breathe in and just अपने कमर को उठाइए. आप खुद फील कर सकते हैं. अगर आपकी कमर उठ गई है तो आप नीचे हाथ डाल के चेक कर सकते हैं. You can feel that arch under your back. Your shoulders and neck relaxed. खाली आपकी कमर उठी हुई है. You have to just push your chest upwards, giving opposite curvature to your spine. Breathe out and come back. Just relax for a few seconds here. Legs, gap between your legs. Toes facing outwards. Hands away from your body. Keep relaxing.